Hello again. You'll notice a difference in the temperature over the next few days. Still mild today, but as we head Friday and Saturday, it's going to turn much colder. High pressure is still in charge of our weather today. The squeeze in the isobars in the north of the country tells you that it's going to be windy here. There's a weather front bringing in some rain, but the yellows and the ambers across our shores indicate that we're still in mild conditions. Now, for most, it's going to be a cloudy afternoon. There will be one or two breaks out of the thicker cloud, especially in the hills. We could see some drizzle. The rain continuing across the north and the west of Scotland, and this is where we'll have the strongest winds, especially across the Northern Isles. These white circles represent the average wind speeds. Now, temperature-wise today, we could see 14 in Aberdeen and Belfast. That's above average here for this time of the year, but widely we're into double figures. Through this evening and overnight, our front moves north and then it starts to sink south. Behind it, we'll see some squally showers. Ahead of it, still a lot of cloud, some drizzle on the hills, and it's not going to be a cold night for most. Widely, we're looking at about 8 to 11 degrees as our overnight lows, but the colder air is starting to filter in across the Northern Isles. Now, this is a weather front that's sinking south. Behind it, we will be in the colder air. Ahead of it, tomorrow will still be in the milder air. The rain on that weather front sinking into northern England and Northern Ireland through the day, with wintry showers following in behind, mostly on the hills, but later in the day down to lower levels in the Northern Isles, where we're looking at gales. Whereas further south, with all the cloud, and there will be some sunny breaks, we're still in double figures quite easily. But as we head overnight Thursday into Friday, our cold front continues to sink southwards, and the blues return to the charts, indicating the colder air pushing across the whole of the UK. So that also means we'll see some wintry showers across the north of Scotland and down this North Sea coastline. Now, we won't all see them, they are showers, but you could also see a few in the hills of Northern Ireland and also the hills of Wales. But there'll be a lot of dry weather. And if we pick on the east coast, the temperature is 5 to 7 degrees. Add on the wind chill, which will be quite significant. For some, it will feel around about freezing or just above. Southwest, though, will be milder at this stage. And then into the weekend, still chilly, especially so on Saturday, but a lot of dry weather.